Next, we are looking at weighted means. Sometimes different data entries have different importance or weight associated with them. So first we want to find the sum of the products of the data values and their weights, and then divide this by the sum of the weights. So weighted grades are one of the most famous weighted means, and that's what question 17 is looking at. You are taking a class where your grade is determined by 5 items. What is your final grade? So we have our 5 assessments here: homework, 3 tests, and the final exam. These are our scores on each of these, and then these are the weights that these assessments have towards our final grade. So we need to multiply each of our scores times the weights towards the final grade, and we are going to express each of the percents as decimals. Now I want to add these and then divide by the sum of the weights, and this will equal 85.1 over 1, and the denominator should be 1 because that represents 100%. So our final grade is 85.1.